Okay, smooth pumpkin, creamy sweet potatoes, a drizzle of honey. This roasted vegetable soup is the perfect dish to keep you warm this winter.
Here to show us how to do it is TV personality Anna Simon. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning to you both.
Lovely to see you here.
Happy Sunday.
Let's start with the roast veggies. What have we got?
Well, the humble pumpkin soup. Everyone finds it very boring. Even my friend that I brought along with me today said, how boring. But we're making it a little bit more sexy today. So
that must have been a confidence boost when you're on your way in.
It was amazing. I thought, I'm going to nail this. But we have all the veggies here. Now, we have two different types of pumpkin. There are two pumpkin varieties that make the pumpkin soup a lot more flavoursome. So we do a roasting first. So we're adding the pumpkin, we do carrots, just 2 carrots, sweet potato. Now, it's certainly not a weight loss dish. We're adding butter.
Game on.
It's great. The butter actually gives it a beautiful nutty flavour. So
how does it roast?
Yeah, just a little bit of butter, just a little bit.
When you said that the pumpkin variety, should you use butternut or the...
There's butternut and Japanese pumpkin. Yeah. It's less watery, so it actually holds its flavour a little bit more.
You've got a lot of time on your hands, I can see.
Oh, nice one. Very good. So we've got some herbs as well. Yeah. Love that. And we drizzle it with oil. And we roast that for about 45 minutes to an hour in the oven, and it caramelises the brown. Well, here's one I prepared earlier.
Hey.
So the brown in the vegetables is what gives it the flavour. So we literally put that in a pot and top it up with some stock, and we drizzle it with 2 tablespoons of honey, and it just gives it a depth of flavour that is different to any other pumpkin soup.
Do you go cream?
Oh, look what we've got in front of you here. We've got a variety here.
Yeah.
Yum. Sorry, just a moderate oven?
Moderate oven, 180 degrees, a low oven, so it doesn't burn.
50 minutes?
45, 50 minutes, and it depends on how many vegetables are in the roasting tray too. Okay. So we've got a variety here. We've got a sour cream version. We've got a croutons, we've got a prosciutto and a pesto.
Yeah,
but
so the pesto in it, yeah.
Can I feed him? Can we do it the Italian way?
Okay.
Yeah. Do you eat prosciutto?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, come over here. We're coming over here. Are you ready?
This is going to get messy.
Yeah. Are you wait, let me protect your suit like a mum.
Like
okay,
a mum,
you ready?
That's the first thing I've eaten today. It's delicious.
See, it's a bit different, right?
I like the toasted sandwich.
Yeah, I bet you do. Everyone loves a toasted sandwich.
So now you have to do the real mum thing and lick your fingers.
Oh, yeah.
And then clean his face.
My mouth hasn't been anywhere this morning, so I
So is that... So you've got prosciutto and mozzarella on there together and dip that, use that.
So I've pan-fried this in a pan as well. So
Are you going to finish that or...?
Here you go, guys.
Finish it.
It's all for you. Are you dipping?
And then you've got one with pesto through it and then some with pesto bread.
Pesto bread. It's a little bit different. You don't need to be traditional with the rules of it too, just to mix it up a bit. Even the croutons are delicious. They're literally just in an air fryer. The croutons, day-old bread you can use, and it just gives it a different texture rather than just a creamy pumpkin soup that... With no
variation, bit of Thai red curry paste and some coconut cream.
Oh wow, here's a chef now too this morning.
Here's your spoon.
He's dipping.
You know, get into it. This one's really, that's
just
really
pesto on top.
That's just pesto on top, and that's just a crunchy crouton.
Wow.
That is excellent.
Do you like that?
Garlicky.
Oh yeah, sorry, I was a little bit...
Yeah, but sorry, you're just really next to that.
Sorry, mind if I'm...
Delish, that is absolutely yum, amazing. Thank you so much, Anna.
Welcome.
Yum.
You can find the full recipe over on the Sunrise website, and for more delicious ideas, you can also follow Anna on her Instagram page, and her handle is Anna Simon.